I'm Ernest, the CTO of Genosys Bio. We're a startup from Imperial trying to make the manufacture of biologics more efficient and also cost effective. What we're seeing in manufacturing is that there's a bit of a regulatory pressure from the US. Capacity is going down, especially after the US Biosecure Act. Um, we're also seeing that it's very difficult to manufacture biologics compared to, say, traditional small molecules. The costs could be up to 10 times more expensive. Um, and the current methods of improving your yields are getting harder and harder. And if you wanted to just expand capacity, you're going to have to spend going to have to spend large capital investments in buying new bioreactors. So I'm not sure if there's three key things, but I guess we're doing one key thing, which is trying to resolve the issue of the wet lab scientists. So if you want to increase the yield and the efficiency of your manufacturing process, you can do the very easy steps, which is just to improve the pH, the temperature, and also the input into your bioreactor. To improve the condition of the organism that is manufacturing these products. Or the second one is to tune it at a genetic level. So I guess in layman's terms, there are guys who are bald and there are guys with lots of hair. It's the same for bacteria or CHO cells or yeast cells producing, say, insulin. Some might produce not a lot of insulin, some might produce a lot of insulin. Same with why some people have a lot of hair, not a lot of hair. So what we try and do is we try and use artificial intelligence and proprietary algorithms to find out what words within the DNA say to produce a lot of protein and not a lot of protein and apply it to manufacturing. I guess for this year, we're trying to really get a proof of concept going. So we're a startup. We're finding it a challenge to, for example, scale up, but we're getting there. We're slowly finding progress, and we're really looking for that one industry partner to test our product, test our algorithms, and make sure that it all works. We've got a website, www.genesysbio.com. We've got a contact form. Please get in touch with us if you've got problems with manufacturing biologics, and we're happy to do a trial run with you.